Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about BlackBerry. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. So today we're going to be doing a video about BlackBerry, a BlackBerry stock price prediction, where I think BlackBerry is going to be headed over the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, and what's in store for the stock itself. Obviously, with all the crazy commotion going around, there's a lot of stocks that people are holding short positions on. American Airlines, BlackBerry, AMC Entertainment, GameStop, that are absolutely just going to the moon. So if we take a look at the 1 month chart here altogether, you can see that this stock was kind of trading sideways, $6, and then we see this massive short squeeze here that happened on January 27th, and the stock went all the way up to $28, and then the stock kind of ended up falling by about 100%. And a lot of people are wondering, okay, so is this it for BlackBerry? Is BlackBerry going to keep crashing? Is BlackBerry going to go up? Well, that's generally going to depend. A lot of people do hold BlackBerry short positions, but it's not going to be as much as GameStop. GameStop is an abnormally large example. Like I said, they had 130% short float percentage. Like I said, that's probably the biggest short float percentage out of any stock out there. Most stocks will usually carry about a 7 to 10% short float percentage. So, but going back to BlackBerry here, do I think BlackBerry can actually have the potential of another massive short squeeze? How high do I think it will personally go? So, yes, BlackBerry still does have the potential at another short squeeze. It's definitely going to be very volatile over the next couple of days, over the next couple of weeks. Like I said, the markets are in absolute turmoil. And now BlackBerry in itself as a company is still a very good company. If you take a look at their numbers, the company is still profitable. Yes, ever since the iPhone came out and Apple and all that kind of stuff, BlackBerry hasn't done as well. But BlackBerry, like I said, if you take a look at the revenue aspects of everything, BlackBerry is still a profitable company, which is a huge thing to take in consideration and could potentially be a long-term hold. Because BlackBerry still is a very good company. It's a very well-established company, and it's been around for a very long time and endorsed by a lot of investors. I believe about 80% of analysts say that you should hold BlackBerry. It's not too bad of a horrible investment. Now, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. But BlackBerry buying it at $14.06 it's not the worst investment. There's definitely worse investments out there. And the stock does have a lot of upside potential. Now, let's get into the good stuff. Where do I think BlackBerry stock has the potential of heading? Basically in the next couple of trading sessions. Where do I think BlackBerry stock, how high do I think it can actually go? Obviously, if we go back here, we see that, BlackBerry was trading around $28.38 a share, which is pretty high. If you guys take a look at it from the bigger perspective, like I said, this is the highest that BlackBerry has actually seen as far as share price in a very long time. Like I said, with the markets going up, it's not impossible for BlackBerry to hit $30, $40, even $50. Like I said, especially with all the massive volume that these stocks are getting. And I know, even still, that, Robinhood and a lot of other brokerages were limiting buys for BlackBerry, for AMC, for GameStop. So imagine when they actually lift those restrictions. Again, you have so many new people flooding into these stocks. They want a piece of it. They want to buy. So I can understand overall why people are a little bit more kind of bullish on the BlackBerry, but like I said, BlackBerry is still subject to a very short squeeze, and the stock does have the potential to hit $30, $40, $50. It's definitely unlikely. Now, I want people to definitely be careful when it comes to investing in this kind of stuff. Like I said, the markets are very volatile, and these stocks do have the potential to climb up very quickly, but also fall as quick. As you guys can see, in the last trading session, BlackBerry's down 3.75%, but BlackBerry was trading around $28 a share, and it's managed to kind of climb back down all the way down to $14 a share. Now, the stock is still sitting higher than what it was before the actually short squeeze happened, but I'm pretty sure that we have not seen the loss of BlackBerry, and I do think that the stock overall can actually climb up and still, like I said, potentially have another short squeeze. It just depends on how much volume the stock actually gets. If it continues to climb up, that's usually when the shorts will have to cover their short positions, and then that will cause a massive fuel rally from there. If we take a look at it from an investment standpoint, like I said, I just want everybody to be careful. Like I said, markets have been super, super volatile, and I just want people to be careful overall with their investment positions over the next couple of weeks. But for you guys who made profit off BlackBerry, congratulations to you guys. Kudos as well. But I don't think we've seen the loss of BlackBerry just yet. I do think that BlackBerry does have the potential to see another short squeeze. I don't think we actually did get as much of a reaction as from BlackBerry and AMC as we did actually GameStop itself. Remember, like I said, GameStop does have an abnormally large amount of short float percentage, 130% to be exact from what my knowledge before the short squeeze actually happened. But if we take a look at BlackBerry, they also hold a decent amount of short flow percentage, and I'm pretty sure with all these stocks continuously getting a lot of upbringing, a lot of these people are very determined to bring the shorts to cover their positions, which is definitely going to drive the stock prices up. So it's not unlikely, it's definitely not impossible for BlackBerry to resurface back to the $28 to $30 level. And it's definitely not unlikely for BlackBerry to shoot all the way up to $50. Like I said, at this point in time, like, anything is possible. No one really thought that GameStop would climb almost up to $500 a share. So it's not impossible for BlackBerry to actually hit $30, $40, $50. And with the influx of new buyers and the influx of seasoned investors all wanting a piece of BlackBerry, Nokia, AMC, and GameStop, this is definitely going to drive the volume upward, and it's definitely going to push the stock price up as well. Now, I just want everyone to know, just be careful when it's going in through, because these stocks do have the potential to crash just as quick as they rise up. But I don't think that we've actually seen the loss of BlackBerry, and I do think BlackBerry does have the potential to climb. And if you guys are holding BlackBerry, like I said, it's not a bad position to hold. I want everybody to know this. Like I said, the biggest thing is there's a lot of companies out there that people are invested in that aren't even profitable as a company. The fact that BlackBerry is still a profitable company is still a very good sign overall, and it's truly doesn't make it a horrible investment. So if you guys bought BlackBerry at $27, $26 a share, obviously I cannot recommend any advice for you guys, but average down, hold it, see if you guys get another short squeeze out of it. I currently don't hold any positions in BlackBerry, but I wanted to give my overall analysis of BlackBerry stock, where I think it's actually headed, and do I think it has another potential chance of a short squeeze? I do. I do think it has another potential chance of a short squeeze. Like I said, with the influx of new users, so many people all around the world are jumping into these stocks right now to be able to get maximum gain. So it's not unlikely to actually see another huge run up or another huge kind of explosion from BlackBerry stock. With that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. Let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of BlackBerry stock. Do you guys think BlackBerry stock has another chance of a short squeeze? Do you guys think BlackBerry stock can hit $50? If you guys own BlackBerry stock, how many shares do you guys own, and what's your average?